The sharing of ideas has always been one of humanity's greatest tools for progress. Throughout history, societies have advanced not only because of invention, but because of communication, people daring to speak, to question, and to inspire. Yet, in a world filled with noise and information, the true challenge lies in delivering messages that move people to think and act. This is where TED Talks come in. Founded on the belief that ideas have the power to change the world, TED serves as a global platform where individuals from all walks of life share insights that spark innovation, compassion, and understanding. Through clarity, storytelling, and emotional connection, TED reminds us that the right words, spoken with purpose, can transform the way we see the world ourselves. The phrase, ideas worth spreading, is more than just TED's slogan. It represents its purpose. It means sharing knowledge and stories that have the power to inspire, educate, and create change. The phrase, ideas worth spreading, is more than just TED's slogan. It represents its purpose. It means sharing knowledge and stories that have the power to inspire and educate and create change. Through TED Talks, people from different backgrounds come together to spread ideas that challenge the way we think and encourage us to act. It reminds us that even a single idea, even shared, can make a difference in the world. This discussion will view the brief history of TED Talks, its public speaking criteria, its rhetorical appeals, and why it is an effective form of public speaking. To start, what is TED? TED stands for Technology, Entertainment, and Design. It began in the 1980s in Monterey, California, founded by architect Richard Saul Wurman and broadcast designer Harry Marks. In 2001, it was acquired by the Sapling Foundation, which helped expand its reach to a worldwide audience. TED is a non-profit organization that promotes the sharing of worthy ideas, from scientists and educators to artists and activists. TED provides a space for people to communicate their passions and discoveries in powerful, relatable ways. What makes TED special, however, is by how each talk is short, direct, and filled with meaning, designed to inspire reflection and encourage change. Inclusivity is also a defining feature of TED, where talks are translated into multiple languages to ensure that anyone, anywhere, can access and understand the message being shared. Now, let's look at what makes TED speakers so effective. These are four main criteria that guide most TED presentations: clarity, simplicity, and narrative structure, pacing, rhetorical devices and emphasis, and emotional resonance and idea focusing. Let's go through each one briefly. The first criteria, clarity, simplicity, and narrative structure. TED speakers use stories and anecdotes to make complex ideas easier to understand. They avoid using overly technical terms. Instead, they use simple and relatable language. This helps build credibility or ethos because it shows that the speaker values clarity and connection over showing off knowledge. According to Lee, anecdotes make abstract concepts more memorable and relatable. Next is pacing. Pacing refers to how speakers control the flow of their talk. TED speakers often use strategic pauses before important points. These pauses give the audience time to reflect and understand, and they make the speech feel more natural and confident. As studies by Liu show, pauses help the audience process information better and remember key ideas. Thirdly, rhetorical devices and emphasis. TED speakers also make use of rhetorical questions and repetition. Rhetorical questions make the audience think. For example, what would you do if you weren't afraid? Meanwhile, repetition helps highlight key points, making them stick in your mind. According to Gong, repetition helps people recall and focus on the main idea of the message. Lastly, emotional resonance and idea focusing. Emotion plays a huge role in TED Talks. Speakers often share personal experiences, like their struggles or moments of growth, to create empathy and emotional connection with its audience. This is what we call pathos, appealing to the audience emotions. Studies have found that emotional stories make ideas easier to remember and help audience feel connected to the message. According to Heineckel, successful public speakers, including those in TED, share three traits: clarity of message, engaging delivery, and well-structured presentation. TED speakers don't just share facts, they make their ideas come alive. In summary, TED Talks teach us that effective public speaking is not just about what you say, but how you say it. It's about clarity, pacing, rhetorical power, and emotional connection. So, as first year students, whenever we present or share ideas, we can take inspiration from TED. Speak with clarity, connect with emotions, and share ideas worth spreading.